Here's our girl from yesterday. She's doing well. Little lady, do you really sleep in there every night? Sorry. That's not a good spot for you to lay. What if you were stuck? Good morning! Atley, it's your birthday! You're a big 1-year-old! Happy birthday, Atley! Good morning, Bridget! Good morning, Dove! Good morning, Ember! Good morning, Harlow! Everyone's outside the coop, so it's time to clean inside the coop. We got the coop all clean, now it's time to collect eggs. Laban collected 2 eggs from here, and now it's time to clean this coop. One more back here by the feeder. Coop 2 is clean. So while I'm getting the rest of the stalls finished, Lennox is loving on Dove and taking her on some halter-led walks. Bridget, why are you eating the doghouse? It's finally warm enough out that I decided to sweep the barn. But have no fear, the cows came in and peed and pooped a few more times before I could finish doing the rest of the farm chores, so back to sweeping the barn again. I got it cleaned up the best that I plan on today, and now it's time to dump the wagon. We got Dwayne's bedding changed, and some mealworms and fresh water, and some food, so these two are ready to conquer the day, even though it's halfway over. What's crazy is Dwayne, for real, doesn't want to leave his cage when Shadow is in it, so I think he definitely is appreciating the companionship, so we'll probably definitely wait to take them both out at the same time. But Dwayne's booty, I think, is getting pretty close, so hopefully it'll be within the next week. We reconnected all of the rabbit cages, and the girls are just gonna have to figure it out. They've done a little bit of fighting, they've done a little bit of just hanging out, so who knows, maybe they fought the whole time, we didn't notice it, they survived, so I guess they'll be fine.
Cows ate all their hay, so I'm gonna throw them a little bit more. So today is Atley's first birthday, and Launa's gonna try to make her some cupcakes and some cupcakes to share with the other girls. She also bought her some horse snacks because it's hard to find cow treats. So the plan is we're gonna crush these cubes up into like a flour, And then we'll use bananas as the binder to bake them instead of eggs. And it looks like she's gonna put some carrot chunks in there, probably some apple chunks, and then some sweet potato.
To hold it all together.
So hopefully it turns out pretty good. We couldn't really find a recipe, but first we'll smash these cubes up. These are actually really hard to crunch up. I thought I could just smash them out here on the sidewalk, but we'll try a hammer. So now we're gonna take this softened sweet potato, 3 bananas, and some milk, and blend those up.
Tell me when to stop.
Let's try that for now. Now Launa's gonna pour the wet ingredients in and start to mix it. Yeah, that looks delicious. Did you eat that?
No.
No.
Looks like small.
Think Atley will eat it?
Maybe. She is pretty picky though.
So Launa's gonna mix in her carrots and apple chunks. And then we mixed in a little bit of Spicer's maple syrup. These guys live just 2 miles from here. Locally made, organic maple syrup.
Tastes good.
Now it's time to fill the cupcake liners.
Right now I'm just gonna do a spoonful to see what that looks like. Yeah, that's definitely enough.
All right, we think they're ready, so now we're just gonna pop them into the oven. Did you get burned?
No, I'll just
Yeah.
So they're good. The other ones are in the thing. They did start getting a little bit burnt, but I just put some cattle cubes on them and some more maple syrup. So yeah, they're done.
Luca is out here building a snowman, and we're gonna do a little bit of sledding. All right, that's a pretty good looking snowman. Go.
So I made some fun ones, which were the first batch. The second ones, I added some toppings on them.
Yeah.
This is Atley's candle that I cut out with scissors. It's just lettuce. I'm not gonna light it on fire, but it's just to look cute and yeah.
It is time to put the cows in. Launa's got her cupcakes ready for Atley's birthday. We're just waiting until the cows are put up before we walk in so they don't knock the plate out of her hand, but some pretty yummy looking cupcakes. She kick you?
She almost did.
We got all the girls in the stalls. Harlow's getting her evening bottle. Launa has some special treats. We're gonna do a birthday party for Atley in a minute. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Atley. Happy birthday to you.
You wanna try one of your cakes? A bunch. Can you try all these? Have to eat the messy girl.
Happy birthday, Atley.
Don't eat the carrot. Just spit it out. Okay. Just spit it out.
Looks about right, isn't it?
Any more for Bridget?
Just give her the big pieces. She Atley likes the big pieces. Alright, I'll go make them their treats up. Everybody else will make the treats up. Good, so I can step to one. Gotta eat it. She took the special one. Special ones are yummy, aren't they? I don't know this one.
We took a break from Atley's party to come close up the chickens. Reese is on the ground, so I'm gonna put him up on the roost. I put Reese up on the ladder so he can decide where he wants to go. See you tomorrow, girls. Head on in, ducks. Everyone's up and ready for the night. See you tomorrow, girls. It warmed up a little bit today. We were happy to celebrate Atley. Now it's time for everyone to go to bed and have some sweet dreams. Good night, sweet girl. We're super thankful for you. We hope you all have had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.